Hey everyone, I'm super excited. Hardell has sent me this cordless rotary tool to check out, and I'm super excited about it. So it is a 4-volt, 2000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery with 5 different speeds, 61 accessories, multiple functions, USB-C charging, and of course, it says DIY first choice, but we're actually going to put that to the test in this video. While they did send it to me, there are no strings attached to this particular review, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my box opener on my Gerber dime here. And I'm going to open up the top. Okay, so first off, it looks like it's in a nice little case here. Nothing else in the box, so everything is in this case, which I do like when that happens. So I can hear the pieces going around. It has some nice branding. This is actually kind of like, it's a soft shell, but it's rigid, so it's not gonna like get crushed or anything. It's not soft package, but it's not like super hard. Okay, so just to open it up here, let me go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. So we can actually look at what we've got. So the first thing is we have some attachments here. So these are like polishing brushes, grinding brushes. You have some different attachments to hook something into it. You have a cutting blade. That looks pretty cool right there. Yeah, so just various attachments. You have drill bit attachments as well if you're drilling into like jewelry and things. And then this one looks like your sanding kit. So you have sanding discs. You have the sanding cylinders right there as well. And these are rubber banded too, just in case. But they also have like a locking mechanism there. Pretty sturdy. Let's actually open one of these up really quick. So like that. And then let's see if it just opens up. Okay, it looks like the hinge is on the back. So let's go ahead. Yeah, it looks like we just lift up. And then yeah, so it looks in pretty good, but I'm happy for the rubber band because you never know when it's getting shipped, right? Now we have the charging cable, so it's USB-A to USB-C right there. Then we have the unit, and then of course we have the actual, like the instructions here. Operator manual, looks like a pretty good size pamphlet, as you can see. It talks about all the different buttons and features on the actual rotary tool itself, as well as all of the instructions that you need. Several QR codes in there too, which could be helpful. And then here again is the rechargeable unit. So there we go. It looks like this is the part you push in this, which allows you to loosen or tighten the different accessories onto it. It looks like this is the ooh, okay. It immediately started spinning and this little light came on. So if I push the power button, the light comes on and it immediately starts spinning up top here. And then there is a plus and minus button there. So if I push this, let me see, you can hear that. And I'm gonna push the speed up. And I'm gonna push it. Oh yeah, you can hear it, right? And it's going up, now it's going down. Okay, so that is pretty cool. So you can actually have some pretty granular things there. So if you're working with a softer material and you don't want to go in very fast, you could definitely adjust that speed. It adjusts very quickly, as you probably heard on my microphone. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and then we'll go to test. All right, so I have a piece of tile here that I'm going to scratch up. We were using this for tests for some of the things earlier. So I have this. It's like this like burr end. It's like pretty scratchy. And I'm going to put it in there. So I've loosened this up and you push this little button until it locks all the way down, and then you insert the particular bit that you want, and then you tighten it down, make sure it's tightened down pretty good. Okay, that is tightened down in there, and then you just like turn the power on, and like right now it is full strength. You can see all those lights, but if I hit down, yeah, so the lights go down. So we're gonna go ahead and change this on a medium setting. It is spinning there. I don't know if you can pick that up, and then I'm gonna put this up right here, and then we're gonna, oh, you can actually see it. Yeah, that's the one in there pretty good. See if I can lay it on its side a little bit more, like use more of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is actually doing pretty good on a medium set. Let's go ahead and turn it all the way up. Make sure it's tight. So again, I'm gonna push this button down and turn this until it locks. There it goes. I'm gonna tighten it and we're gonna turn it back on and we're gonna turn it all the way up. So all those lights are on. You zoom in a little bit here. And then I'm gonna leave this down on the ground and I'm going to, yeah, that's working very well. That's etching well into this tile. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay, that's quick stop too. It almost immediately stopped. And then I'm gonna bring this up really close. Yeah, so that I could feel that with my finger. Not bad. I did not charge this at all. It came with a little bit of charge. Obviously that might not be the case for you. But if you are in the market for a USB-C chargeable rotary tool, then this one from Hardell might be the one for you. And like I said, I'm super appreciative to Hardell for sending this to me.